Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve layout on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve layout on CapCut app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut and you can click. After that you will enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.